Hello, welcome to Coinkolik. I have three questions for you. First one is, what are the difficulties in front of the transition from Web 2 to Web 3? Looking around the world, is it possible to build Web 3 infrastructure, especially on decentralization?
Thank you. Hello, my name is Daria. I am from Internet Computer Team, Global Expansion. I am the leader of ICP Hub Turkey. So we are building Layer 1 blockchain. We are building infrastructure for all. If you want to develop the app or develop any Web3 service, you can build it on top of ICP. But the problem is how to build something Web3, truly decentralized one. And we were thinking about developers, how to make their life simpler, how to make their life safe, and also how to make efficient, useful services for people. That's why we created the special blockchain network that have special features. For example, our end users, they don't pay gas fees. So they don't have this transaction costs every time. They could simply use our startups, not to think about money every time, because they are just users. They want to have fun, to engage. So when you try to transit to Web3, you need to think about people, about the community, and about how to be bright and how to compete with all these services, with all this attention, with all these crowds. Web3 world is complicated. That's why we work with our startups not only on technology part and side, but also on the people side, on the community side. That's why we build these local hubs actually, and that's why we present us in different countries like in Turkey, in India, and we help to build truly decentralized services that have parts all over the world. On each continent, they have community. It is the first step to build something truly Web3. You need to start from the people, from understanding the local communities, local initiatives. You need to be the part of it, to be the part of the market, actually.
Technology continues to evolve, and especially AI has become popular. How can AI present an opportunity for blockchain?
It is a great question, actually. I love it. So me personally, I was a player of general market. So I worked with different kind of startups, and there were a lot of IoT companies, AI companies, robotics, and also blockchain. And even 10 years ago, I was like thinking about how to connect all of them, because these technologies, they should be connected, they should help each other. To build a new future world for us. Yes, to build a smart city, you need to know how to connect AI with blockchain. To build a useful service, you need to build something AI readable. AI readable, it depends on, do you use blockchain or not? So, for example, we have right now in Definity, our foundation, the AI grants. So we try to help startups, AI startups, to think how to build on top of blockchain, yes, to connect and to collaborate these teams together, and to make this synergy between technology world. Yes, so that's why you need to check maybe some our possibilities and available resources and funds, because when you develop something so new and so fresh, you need support from big market, from big players. So we're supportive here. And we try to make these connections between different teams and different startups who develop different technologies, and also to connect them with businesses, because businesses are the main clients and they need this as a cases, use cases. So we try to educate also people, because technology, it is not so simple. And when you build some business stuff, you need to understand how to use them. So we guide people, guide general businesses, guide governments in our Web3 world. And Web3 is all about blockchain AI and AI in collaboration.